Hello Congress, it's Matthew Mabry and it's time for our second tutorial on using Desire to Learn. In the first one you should have seen how you can organize the content for your course in modules and submodules to make it an easy filing system for keeping track of your assignment. But let's be honest, that content is really annoying to get to. There's a lot of clicks. I'm going to show you a trick that some of the ITF instructors showed me that I think make a lot of sense for both you, your students, absent students, perhaps even parents, getting to your content in just 1 or 2 clicks. Let's jump in. So when you get to Desire to Learn, remember, when you go to select your course, if you choose ahead of time, you can choose by putting that little orange hook here to have your course pull up to the top. I'm going to click on Science, and here's what is going to change everything for you if you try to use Desire to Learn. I was annoyed with the thought, why do my kids have to click on content and then go to a learning goal, and then, or a unit, and then to a learning goal, and then to an activity, and then somewhere else? That's like 5 clicks. I may as well be using Blackboard. But then I was shown this. Communication, news. And here, you can create all these little news items that pop up here in the home page of your course. See, here's the home page of my course. You probably don't have all these unlocked, so this is what yours looks like, except you don't have anything for the news right now because you haven't put any news. Well, I have set up these little news blurbs, so when my kids access my course, the first thing they see is what we're doing today. And here's the agenda for each day as I put as a news blurb. And so for Friday, today when I'm filming this is what my kids did. We finished and processed the station's properties and materials activity. It was in class. So if my kids were absent and they read this, they know they're going to have to talk to me about it. And then we started working on this assignment. And it says directions are on the link. My kid looks for the period they're in. They have 1 click, and they're working on their assignment already, which in this case is a Google Doc assignment. And they can just get to work editing this page, and oh, that's some nice teeth. And it was that easy. It was just 1 click. Let's go back and see on other days what we were doing. Let's say I was absent on Thursday. I had a kid this week who was gone Monday through Friday, and they said, Mr. Mabry, what have you been doing the last 4 days? I said, Devin, I'm glad you asked. So we pulled up Desire to Learn, we scrolled down, I said, Devin, you're going to start on Monday. Everything that's a link and that you can figure out on your own, you do. The stuff that says, like test returned, if absent, test, put them in the tray. You have to come do it in class. Let me know when you need help. And so Devin just got to work, and he started at the bottom and sort of worked his way up to get caught up into class. So I really like this feature of Desire to Learn, and it's so easy to use. Let me show you what I do. So to create a news blurb that's going to pop up, I go to Communication, I click on News. Now I'm on this page. I'm going to click a new item. And let's say I'm going to do one for next Monday. So I'm going to type in Monday's date. Monday will be the 10/13. And I start typing in what I'm going to do. Number 1, let's see, what will we do on Monday? We are going to, we're going to continue working on the Google Doc assignment from Friday, which I'm hoping will alert them to go back to that news article and click, or I could put the links on here if I wanted to. I don't want to take up extra space. So then I'm going to tell them what they're going to do next. Let's see, set up the density demo grid in your science.
This is a teacher from Varsity. Please
Awesome.
bring it to the office.
Set up the density demo grid in your science notebook. Now here's what you're going to like. How do they get to that content? Do they have to click 5 times? No way, Jose. I'm going to highlight density demo. I'm going to click this magic button, insert quick link. And where's that grid? Well, I've already put in my content, so I left click on content, click on my unit, click on my learning goal, find my density demo, and there's that grid I want them to get to. Now, I had to click 5 times to create the news article, but when they see it in the front on the newsreel, they'll just do this 1 left click and it's going to automatically be there. And that's all we're going to get done on Monday. Homework, I'm going to write none. I'm going to click here. When do I want this to pop up for my kids? Well, why don't we wait till Monday to have it pop up? Let's have it pop up at, say, I don't know why, I just have it pop up usually right after midnight. And click that button. I'm going to click schedule.
I'm the teacher from Varsity to ring into the office.
Love those announcements. And so now when I go to my home page, see, it still says Friday. It's not going to show Mondays yet, But come Monday, it's going to pop up, and if I want to double check or edit it, I just go to News, and here's what my kids are going to see on Monday. And if I want to make sure it works, pretend I'm a student, I can click on this, and where does it take me? Right to this page, all in one click. I think it's really cool. I think absent kids can see it and get used to it and learn how to quickly pick up work. I think it's a really powerful feature of Desire to Learn. So check it out. Let me know what you think. On the next tutorial, I plan on showing you how I've been using Desire to Learn to automatically grade quizzes and do some item analysis. I think you're going to find it really powerful. You should check it out.